Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do it's like a plan with me, setting up my week video. And I'm just kind of showing my setup. It's just changed slightly, not much. So I'm not going to go through it too much, but I actually ordered some stickers from Bullie Belle, which she is on Etsy. I'm actually going to do a haul video and then I'll do another setup for the following week. This setup is going to be pretty short because I'm going on vacation next week. So I just wanted to do a basic setup and get into the practice of it. I think I'm going to speed it up. I'm not going to walk step by step just in case I have to do some setups because I'm going to be doing some stamping and other stuff, and I don't want you to have to, if I do it like kind of like a live versus a voiceover, it's going to take a lot longer. So I'm just going to show you some things I'm going to use. I'm going to use these stickers, these number stickers for the dates, and then that's just some notes. I am going to possibly use some of these stickers. We'll probably like the St. Patrick's Day one, and then a few of these stickers. So we are going to go over and pull out. So this is going to be my schedule for the couple of days for the weekend. Because like I said, we're getting ready to go on a trip, on vacation. So I wanted to make sure I had some things prepared and some to-dos. So that was week one. So we are going to set up week two, and I will speed this up and do a voiceover. So I am here with a process video for week two in my Cocoa Daisy A5. And when this video goes up, I will be on vacation. So I wanted to get this video done and so I could post it on my channel. So first off, I am using some of the washi tape that was in the add-on planner kit for the Cocoa Daisy March kit. And so I wanted to put the washi tape so it is like at the top and at the bottom, like pretty much even. So I had already put a strip at the top of the other side, and I wanted to add some of the washi tape that was in the main kit just to add a little extra to the border that I had created. And so I decided, because I was on I'm going on vacation, I wanted to add the personal size week. I believe that's a week on one page. And I'm going to add my numbers on there. That's from my add-on kit. And so the blue paper that I added to that I'm adding now is actually a paper from the January Day in the Life kit. The colors just went so well, and because it's a bright blue, I wanted to add it. It just looked nice to my page. So now I'm adding the numbers, and because a lot's not going on in my planner, I decided to do it that way than to add the numbers for each day because, yeah, I just thought it looked really nice. So this is pretty much just so I can add little notes, but pretty much from Wednesday the 14th until Sunday, that is when I am going on vacation. So I just wanted to do something fun and something different. So I just took some stickers and wanted to start embellishing, and I wanted to add that St. Patrick's Day since it's on the 17th. So I added some of my favorite glitter tape. I have so many colors of this glitter tape, and I just enjoy it. And I've gotten them from the pocket page kits. And I also bought some when it was on sale. They had like 4 rolls on sale that they were clearancing out. So I took advantage of that. So I was able to get a bunch of the glitter tape, which looks amazing in my planner. I like the sparkle. So, yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I am going to add a different washi tape. See, I want to make sure that I wanted to use the other washi tape because it coordinates with the washi tape at the top. But really, you can do whatever you want. You can mix and match. You can coordinate the top with the bottom on the opposite pages. I just go with it. I don't think too much and too deeply into it because that work goes into scrapbooking for me. So for my planner pages, I just have fun and make it as stress free as possible because it's planning pretty much. It's just making the white page, adding some color to the white pages. So that's why I wanted to use the Webster's pages because I have time to do the planning right now. So why not just add some extra color to the Webster pages and use them up? So yeah, I'm actually trying to become a little bit more minimalistic. So it's going to take a while, but I want to use up some of the things that I have in my stash. So, but anyway, so I added oh my gosh. Okay. So I have to remember what these are called. I guess the checklist flags. So I added a few of those on my page. And pretty much my planning for Monday and Tuesday is just trying to get things ready to go. Oh, sorry. The stickers that are used, the feather stickers are from the Bullie Belle Etsy shop. I will link her store below. And these stickers coordinated with the March kit. I don't believe I haven't seen any stickers recently for her shop, so I don't think she's doing them anymore. But she does have other stickers, and yeah, just check it out. So now I told myself I want to stamp every week. Sorry, I'm jumping around. I told myself I want to stamp every week, so I thought it'd be fun to use the January. This is the January scrapbook main kit stamp, and I just thought it was cool to add the places to go and the airplanes onto that. And so yeah, so I put 3 to make it look like, the process of flying in the air. I don't know. I'm just being silly, but yeah, I just thought it looked cool. So I added some stamping. And now I'm going to add some more stickers to embellish. My goal is to not have a bunch of stickers left over in my stash. I want to use it up for the month. That's why I get it. So that's what I did. So yeah, so that's what you'll see me doing is adding my stickers from the add-on kit. And now I'm adding more stickers from the Bullie Belle sticker collections that coordinate with the March kit. And so I play back and forth with that. And now I'm going to spell out Germany because that's where I'm going. And those stickers are other stickers that I get. A lot of the alpha stickers I get are either from my stash or the majority, like this one, is also from the Cocoa Daisy Day in the Life kits. Like that's one main reason why I do get the pocket page kit is because I like the alphas. I know it sounds crazy, but I am like enjoying smaller alphas. So yep, so there I go, spelling out Germany. And I know I'm coming close to the end. So now I'm just jotting down some notes and a few things that I need to do. And I do add a few more things, but things just got crazy and busy. So, of course, you know, as a part of life, yes, we make lists and we make plans, but sometimes we don't get it done. So I've learned, don't beat yourself up, do what you can, and, just plan for it the next day, or if you can't do it, then just do it later. Like, I had to teach myself, if you can't get it done, don't stress off of it. It's not worth it. That's life. You can't get everything done perfectly. So things happen. So, yeah. But there I go using my stickers up again. So it just feels really good not to just have stickers laying around because I already have enough in my stash. So I'm using those hearts because we are going on vacation. And that will do it. So as you can see, the spread is very simple. I wanted to keep it as simple as possible. I still have some more things to fill in. I just filled in what I could think of at the time while I was doing the video. So yeah, and then that's pretty much it. And then I will do week 3 when I come back from Germany, which will probably be either that Sunday or Monday. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, or just let me know what you think. Like I said, it was very simple. I had fun making it, and yeah, I will see you when I get back. Bye.